In this video, we're going to have a look at how to insert side seam pockets into a garment made using stretch fabric. Don't we all like having pockets in our dresses? Okay, so some patterns come along without pockets, and if you want to insert pockets to those patterns, all you need to do is click on the link in the description box below. You would get an email with the password to my resource library, and that's how you'd be able to get access to this free sewing pattern. And with that, all you need to do is print off a copy, cut out 4 pocket pieces using your fabric, and follow the instructions in this video and you will be fine. I hope you are able to add as many pockets as possible to your future garments and enjoy this video. When you are finished pressing the side seams and the pockets on the one side, repeat the exact same process on the other side. But can you look at those stripe matching? Oh my goodness, I'm so proud of those stripes and the matching. I really did try my best to make sure the stripes were matched together, and I'm so pleased about it. Anyway, so make sure you do the same thing, and when you press your pockets, make sure that the pocket bags are facing the front part of your skirt when you press it. So when you do the same process on both sides, your pockets should be ready, and all you need to do is finish off your raw edges and carry on with the rest of your garments. I have a full playlist of sewing with stretch fabric videos, and I hope you are able to get value from those videos. Do let me know in the comment section what next you're going to be creating using these pockets. And please do not forget to tag me on Instagram when you do make your own garments using the pockets. Don't forget to hit the like button if you got value from this video, and I hope to see you in the next video. All the best. Take care. Bye.